lab-oriented teaching is very much helpful in understanding the concepts.
For Ignitians, lab is like a playground for science and we enjoy the play.
At Ignite, practicals make Ignitians perfect.
Yes, our chairman Ramesh sir always said that practical sense is more important than bookish sense.
At Ignite, the learning is made easier with the practical approach, and Ignite also induces the practical knowledge with subject books.
Nanya, when you are exactly at that point, your image is of same size of you. When you move forward, that is when you move closer to the mirror, your image formed is enlarged, and when you move behind the point, that is when you are away from the mirror, your image formed is diminished. Here the rays are getting converged and the image formed is real and inverse.
ఇప్పుడు 3D మోడల్ చూద్దామా? So if you cut parallelly, you will get a circle. If you cut slantingly at an angle, you will get ellipse. If you cut at one bottom, you will get parabola. If you cut at both ends, you will get hyperbola.
Thank you, Ignite.
Thanks to Ignite. Thanks to Ramesh sir.
Thanks to Ramesh Garu and thanks to Ignite.